Everybody, this is a desk I made out of vinyl plank flooring. It's 1.5 inches thick, 26 inches deep, and 80 inches wide. The vinyl plank flooring is bonded to the wood surface with construction adhesive, and to get the edges rounded like that, it was just a relief cut and heated up with a heat gun, and then just clamped into place. And the back side and the edging here, I made edge banding out of the wear layer. Just peel it off and just cut it to size and glue it on the side and then trim it off. And that's it. And also, as you can see, I'm going to sit on the desk here. This desk is very, very strong. I weigh 170, and with all my weight on that, it does not move. So that's it. And the legs, you just buy those tubular steel legs from Ikea. I don't know how much they cost. They're not that expensive. So that whole desk, you can make it for less than $100, and you won't find anything stronger than that. And 80 inches wide, big wide desk. Okay, that's it.